I mean, I use my calendar a lot. So once I've set
Hmm.
something on my calendar, then it just basically tells me what I need to do. But I just have to make sure I put stuff on my calendar that I want to and I need to do.
Hmm.
But once it's on my calendar, I mean, down to vacation days, like I put vacation on my calendar. That means just I'm not available. And then just delegating more and more. Like yesterday, we actually let go of somebody in our company that wasn't living up to our core values. And you've talked to Daniel, I believe, right?
Hmm.
So I told her, look, you don't need to reach out to me for every little decision. I trust you enough that you can make that decision and you can tell me after the fact that, hey, this is what I did and this is why I did that. That's all I need to know, because I want to make decisions about the things that I know I can add the most value with. Um, but then like it's calendar, like every day, either 11:30 to 12:30, depending on the day, or 4:30 to 5:30. I'm working out. No matter what happens, Monday to Friday, uh, either 11:30 to 12:30 or 4:30 to 5:30 is my workout time. That's it. Like I'm not available. And then when I'm plugged in, like when I'm on Facebook, then I'm not trying to do anything else that's that requires my attention. So like when I'm on Facebook, then that's it. Like I'm just replying to posts. I'm not trying to think of a next feature to build, for example. But when I'm thinking of something that's important, then I'm completely disconnected. Like I'm on this call right now, my phone is switched off. If
Yep.
somebody calls me one time, two times, or 1,000 times, I have no idea, because this is what I'm 100% committed to.